guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, where have you been? You're all welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us easy ways on how to tie our headscarves, our turban, and probably our hijab. So if you're interested in seeing this, then you need to see this video till the end. Headscarves, turban, and probably an hijab, an easy way. And in this video we're going to be doing that without pins. Yes, so I have some scarves here that I'll be using. If you have your ankara, wherever it is, you just want to tie an easy way, like because my hair is not done, so it's easy. And if you've made your hair, it's also easy. You can also do it. Like this one that I'm having here is an easy way. I did it in an easy way, like within 2 minutes, like 2 minutes I'm done. So yes, bear with me till the end as I show you guys how we tie our headscarf, our hijab, and our turban. This is another form of turban, yes, but a quick one that I did. But I'll be showing us some couple of ways on how to tie it.